Welcome student in the lecture series of complex analysis. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about complex line integration. The integration of the function fz is given by this thing, line integration, then this curve C, along the curve C, fz dz, where C is any given path to us. So how to solve this type of question? We'll take z equal to x plus iy, as we know this z equal to x plus iy. So if z equal to this, then dz equal to dx plus I dy, and we know that fz is u plus iv. This will be given to us, fz equal to u plus iv. Any function, any complex value function will be given to us. So this C fz dz will become now u plus iv, that given function, into dz will be dx plus I dy. Now multiply these two, u dx, and their real part will come from this thing. When I will multiply it with this I, so it I square, and I square will be minus 1, so v dy, minus of v dy. So real part and the imaginary part, I times of v dx plus u dy. So this is how. Now how to solve this? We will learn with the help of one question. Question 1. Evaluate C z dz where C is a straight line from z equal to 0 to z equal to 1 plus I. So solution. So I have taken the simple example. If once we learn this simple example, we will be able to solve difficult as well, because the methodology behind that is same. So C z dz equal to C, again the same process, z is given to us, so z equal to x plus iy into dz dx plus I dy. Multiply these two, real part x dx and x dx minus y dy from here, plus iota time of y dx, and iota will come here as well, x dy. So I got this. Now next step, we will see how we have. Now I have taken a straight line y equal to x from z equal to 0 to z equal to 1 plus iota. So this is the straight line. If you can see here, y equal to x, I have drawn it with the blue. So y equal to x, this is the straight line. So I am taking this, and the point are from z equal to 0 to z equal to 1 plus iota. So x dx minus y dy plus iota time of y dx plus x dy. This is, so these two are same, and the limit C, because the C is the curve, straight line. So we will take this thing as I am taking that as a straight line. But to solve this, here we can see that this is x dx and this is y dy, means integration of x with respect to x. This is okay, this can be done. Integration of y with respect to y, this is second thing, so this can be done. Third, here I have iota time of 0 to 1 plus iota y dx. Now how to solve this? Should I take y as a constant? We cannot take y as a constant, because I am taking the path where y is the function of x, so this cannot be taken here. And similarly here, I have to integrate the function of x with respect to y. So to tackle this such type of problems, what we do, we are taking here path y equal to x. This is very simple, y equal to x path, that will be given to you. Y equal to x, this is given to you. X is from 0 to 1. X is from 0, this is 2, 0 to 1. How I z equal to 0 means x plus iy equal to 0, means what? X equal to 0 and y equal to 0, and z equal to 1 plus I means x equal to 1 as well as y equal to 1. 1 plus iota time of 1. So x is going from 0 to 1 and y is from 0 to 1. So in that case, take an y equal to x equal to t. Okay, means, so if I am taking y equal to x equal to t, y equal to x equal to t, and then t will be from 0 to 1, because x is going from 0 to 1 as well as y is going from 0 to 1, so t will be from 0 to 1. Now dx equal to what? Dx equal to dt, and dy will be equal to dt. Now we'll solve this. The first, x dx will be t dt, y dy will be t dt, iota time of y dx, y is t and dx is dt, so t dt, iota time of t dt. Now the limit is from t equal to 0 to 1 from here. So dt and t dt, this will be cancelled out. So iota time of t dt, so this will be the twice of this, so t square by 2, and the value of t is, so this will come like t square by 2 twice, okay, and I'm putting 0 to 1, so 0 to 1 means this is equal to 2 will be cancelled out, 1 square will be 1, so this is equal to iota, this is equal to iota, so our answer is iota. Now I'm taking the same question and taking the path y equal to x square from z equal to 0 to z equal to 1 plus iota. So curve is changed now. So in this case, this is same. I have done x dx minus y dy plus y dx plus x dx dy. Nothing, no changes here till now. No changes. I have converted this into the four parts. No changes here. Now the path is y equal to x square. So, and x is going from 0 to 1 and y is going from 0 to 1 again. Now I am taking x equal to t, because if I will put x equal to t, then I will get y equal to t square. So x equal to t, and then the limit of t will be the limit of x. So dx equal to dt and y equal to t square, because y equal to x square, so y equal to t square. So dy equal to 2t dt. Now substitute these all in this. So I got here t equal to 0 to 1, this is t, dx equal to dt, y equal to t square, dt equal to dy equal to 2t dt plus I time of t equal to 0 to 1 t square, this is y, t square, dx dt plus iota time of x is x, t, dy equal to 2t dt. I will get t equal to 0 t dt minus twice of t equal to 0 to 1 t cube dt plus iota time of t equal to 0 to 1 t square dt plus 2 iota t equal to 0 to 1 t square dt. I will get this thing here. After solving this, I will get iota. Now evaluate c x minus iy dz. So, and I am taking two path here again. C is a straight line from y equal to x by 2 from z equal to 0 to z equal to 2 plus iota, and the second is C is a real line from 0 to 2, then vertically 2 plus iota. So this is the curve. So I am taking this A to C, and the path is straight line, which is y equal to x by 2. So how to solve this? Let's see. I am taking this. So let's see how to solve this. C is a straight line from solution. Again same, x minus iy dz, put the value of dz, dx plus I dy, c. So this will come like x dx, x dx, the I square will become positive, so y dy plus I x dy minus y dx. After multiplying this, I will get this value. Now the path is C is a straight line from this to this. So path equal to y equal to x by 2. So in this case, I should take x equal to t. But I can take vice versa as well. Y equal to t also. In that case, x will become 2t. So we can do it this in any way. So take x equal to t, and t is from, very good, t is from t. The limit of t will be the limit of x. Since x is going from, this is end point of x, this is initial point. So z is going from, basically z is going from 0 to 2 plus I. So x is going from 0 to 2. So now I'll solve this. So dx equal to, so dx so y equal to x by 2. So take x equal to t, and t is from 0 to 2. Dx will be dt, and y equal to t by 2, because y equal to x by 2. So I have taken x equal to t, so y is equal to t by 2. So y equal to t by 2, so dy equal to dt by 2. Now this, the integration, this x dx, x is t, dx is dt, so x is t, dx is dt, this is okay. Y dy, y equal to t by 2 and dy equal to dt by 2. So y equal to t by 2, dy equal to dt by 2. So it become t dt by 4, t dt by 4, plus I time of x dy, x equal to t and dy equal to dt by 2. So 1 by 2 t dt, minus iota time of t dt. Why? Because y is equal to t by 2, so put t by 2 here, and dx equal to dt, so t by 2, I have taken 1 by 2 outside, so 1 by 2 integration t dt. Now limit, because the limit of t is the same as limit of x, so limit equal to t equal to 0 to, if we see it, these two things are same, so 5 by 4, so I can add these two, so 5 by 4 t dt, 5 by 4 t dt, 0 to 2, and these two are same, so this will be cancelled out. So I will get 5 by 4 t equal to 0 to 2 t dt, 5 by 4 t square by 2, the lower limit is 0, upper limit is 2, so 4 by 2, so this is equal to 5 by 2. Now we'll see that what is the value of that integral if we'll take the another path. Another path is that I am going, it is going like this, from a to b, then b to c. Let's see. When I will say from a to b means what? X-axis, the coordinate, the equation of x-axis is y equal to 0, and x is going from 0 to 2. This is endpoint, so x is going from 0 to 2. So in that case, if y equal to 0, then dy will be 0. Okay, now x equal to 0 to 2. X equal to 0 to 2, x dx. How? What happened? Y equal to 0, so y equal to 0, this 0, dy 0, y 0, so the only first part remain. So x equal to 0 to 2, x dx. So it will come like x square by 2, 0 to 2. So this is equal to x 4 by 2. So this is equal to 2. In next part, second part, from b to c. Now this is not the answer, because I am not going from a to b. I have to reach, I am not going from a to b. I have to reach at the point c. But the path is a to b, then b to c. So I have calculated from here to here. Now I will calculate from b to c. B to c means b to c, this line, the equation of this line is, this is if x equal to 2, x is fixed here, so x equal to 2, this is line, y equal to 0 to 1, y is varying from 0 to 1. So if x equal to 2, then dx is equal to 0. So wherever dx appears, so this will be 0, this will be 0, okay, but y dy will remain same, y dy will be y dy, plus I x is what, 2, so 2 dy. Now the value of limit is y equal to 0 to 1, y equal to 0 to 1, y dy, plus iota time of y equal to 0 to 1, 2 dy. So let's solve it. So this will be y square by 2 plus 2y plus 2y. Okay, so this is equal to, and the limit 0 to 1, y is going from 0 to 1, so it will be 1 upon 2 plus 2, this is 5 by 2.